We introduced the Circle Students framework earlier, and now we will look at the next two components, which include restoring dignity and co creating space. Restoring dignity acknowledges the oppressive systems and inequalities that have stripped students of their true identity. To restore dignity is to honor the core self and support students in developing a healthy self concept. I shared earlier that restorative justice in education centers on several core assumptions. The first is that at our core, all humans are good, wise, and powerful. Educators can create routines that support students from in developing their core self. Kathy Evans, author of the Little Book of Restorative Justice in Education, states holistically, restorative justice in education is more than a set of skills or practices, but rather a belief that people are worthy of relationships and have a desire to nurture these relationships that are built on respect, dignity, and mutual concern. Next, we have co creating space. Co creating space requires an acknowledgement of the inherent gifts and talents in others and the value they add to your community. It is finding the balance between stepping up and stepping back, intentionally joining to both deconstruct and construct what the community needs. Again, our core assumptions teach us that all human beings have gifts and everyone is needed for what they bring. When educators acknowledge the gifts in themselves and their students, they can co construct their learning environment and curriculum. Additionally, educators can create the conditions for students to develop a growth mindset as they work together to improve their classroom and schools. Carol DeWick shares, her research has shown that the view you adopt for yourself profoundly affects the way you lead your life. This growth mindset is based on the belief that your basic qualities are things you can cultivate through your efforts. This is true both for the individual and the collective group when co creating space. We can grow together. You will now have the opportunity to consider each mindset within this framework and align a classroom routine for desired impact.